Welcome. In this short video I'm going to show you how to register a device for connection to the SalesRep Assistant CRM application. Firstly, let's point the browser to the SalesRep Assistant URL. This message that comes up can be either because the device is being used for the first time or simply because the device cache has been cleared. The cache is sometimes cleared through standard practice, but it also needs to be cleared because a new build of the application has been loaded. When this message comes up, you need to click on the configure icon at the bottom of the screen and complete the device ID field. This device ID needs to match the one defined in ProSticks. After filling out the device ID, click on the web service check. If this configuration is being done because of a cache clear, it should find the web service URL, and all you need to do is save your changes and then log in. If the web service check button fails to load a web service, as in this case, either device ID has been entered incorrectly or this is in fact a new device. If it is a new device, your network administrator needs to add an entry into a configuration file on the web server for this device. I'll jump over to the web server now. Here I've jumped over to the web server machine to change that configuration file. As per a standard installation, the config file will be found where the web server application has been loaded, which is generally in program files, Apache software, Apache 2.2, HT docs, and in here is where you'll see the applications themselves. If I jump into SalesRep, into the config folder, and in here you'll see a configuration JSON file. So it's just a case of editing that file. In here all you see is pretty much a pairs list of device ID and web service URL. So my device is not listed in this file. So if I just copy that entry there and paste in a new entry and add in my device ID, and save that file. That's all the changes I need to make on the web server, so I'll just jump back to the application itself. I'm now back at my browser in the configure screen, but those changes to the configuration JSON file don't get picked up unless you refresh your screen. See here, once again, device is not registered, so I'll go to the configure button, once again punch in the same device ID, this time hit the web service check, and you'll see here that it's brought back a web service URL from that configuration file. So now I can save my changes and I should be right to log in. There we are, we're logged in, we've added a new device to the configuration file. Thanks very much.